Okay, so number 26 is 3x to the fifth plus 3 equals 213. So I'm going to start off by subtracting 3 from both sides, which gives me 3x to the fifth equals 210. Divide both sides by 3. So it's essentially like I'm solving a normal equation for x. X to the fifth equals 70. And then the last thing I need to do is to get rid of the fifth power. The opposite of taking something to the fifth power is taking the fifth root. So I take the fifth root of both sides, which gives me that x is approximately 2.33, or 2.34 actually, if you round up. And so that's going to be my final answer. Anytime I take an odd root of a number, I only have one solution. For this next one, I need to get the x by itself. So I have to get rid of the fourth power that is currently outside the parentheses in order to get inside the parentheses. So I'm going to take the fourth root of both sides, giving me 3x plus 2 on the left-hand side. And then the fourth root of 232 is 3.9, but I have to make it positive and negative 3.9. Anytime I take the fourth root or an even root, I really have two answers, positive and negative. So that really gives me two possibilities. The first possibility is 3x plus 2 is positive 3.9, and 3x plus 2 could also be negative 3.9. Both possibilities could happen because the fourth root of 232 is positive and negative 3.9. And so I'm going to solve each equation separately, giving me 3x equals 1.9, dividing by 3 to give me 0.63 as my first answer. Then subtracting 2 from both sides here, dividing by 3, giving me that my second answer is 1.97. So those are the two possible values of x that can make that equation true.